You know, it was about 10 years ago now that I was probably lucky to have around $100 per week for groceries because my business wasn't doing great at that stage. I'd just been introduced to, of course, the concept of email marketing, which everyone has absolutely smashed in the last few years. And what I really learned was that unless I was willing to fail and unless I was willing to test countless email campaigns, I was never going to get the results that I actually wanted. And fast forward numerous years later, it's because of email marketing that I've been able to access amazing opportunities and grow my business significantly while traveling the world and doing what I love. But the problem for many is that they'll sign up to MailChimp, Aweber, Infusionsoft, and some of those are pretty expensive platforms. They'll send a few emails out, but they don't get the kind of sales that they want. And they're not as willing to try different things as other people are. And in fact, I had a client just a couple of years ago who large email list, but she was rarely sending any emails because she was so damn petrified that someone would unsubscribe from her list. Now, after a bit of coaxing along, I got her to create an email campaign and we ran that campaign and her sales went from $5K a month to over $80,000 in sales per month. And she humbly apologized to me after that. And this is a multi-millionaire who was able to take a step back and go, you know what? I was wrong. And that's the most important thing when it comes to email marketing. You've got to be willing to be wrong in business in general. And what I've done is to help people who are in my situation and even advanced email marketers is I've created an email marketing checklist here that makes it really easy to break down the different components that you need for email to succeed in your business. And it doesn't matter what type of business you're in. Now, these checklists go from everything from an email launch. What do you need in an email launch sequence to ensure you generate sales? What about how do you decrease abandoned shopping carts? By decreasing abandoned shopping carts, in a lot of cases, we've seen our clients double their sales as well as double their profits. So for some of you, you're running Facebook ads, and Facebook ads are highly competitive right now, but you're unable to monetize it on the back end. And that's where email comes in. So by addressing abandoned shopping carts, so someone clicks to buy one of your products, but they don't go through with a sale, you can send an automated email out within 20 minutes to get people to buy. Some people are probably looking at this thinking, well, that sounds pretty aggressive. My tribe just aren't going to go for it. People are going to unsubscribe. The truth is, people are going to unsubscribe from your list. We have people unsubscribe every single day from our list. Does it hurt my feelings? No, and nor should it. Sometimes your product is right for an individual, other times it's not. By them taking the action to unsubscribe, they've done you a favor. They're keeping your list clean, which means that your open rates will also increase because more people are clicking on your emails. So never be afraid of the unsubscribe. Now, if you need a hand and you need to grow your business and get people opening, clicking and buying from your email campaigns, then click on the link under this video or in this video right now, because I'm going to give you a little quiz. I want you to see if your email marketing strategy can generate 6 and 7 figures like mine and like my clients, because you may have seen some of my email marketing strategies on Entrepreneur Magazine's channel, which is followed by over 3.5 million business owners worldwide. But you may be wanting to know how do you practically apply it to your business. So click on the link, take the 60-second quiz and see, will your email marketing strategy stand up to the test and have everything that it needs right now to generate sales. And at the end of the quiz, we're going to give you this free comprehensive checklist that you simply go through and you check the boxes on each thing before you send out an email campaign or create your email sequence. Made it really super easy for you. But just be sure you're not like who I was when I originally started business and I wasn't making money, like what my client was like not that long ago, where we were really stubborn. We weren't really willing to give something a go because our own fears were getting in our way. There are people out there that want to buy your products and services. For them to buy what you sell, you've got to communicate to them. And right now, email is still by far one of the most effective ways to drive profit margins and grow your business. Keep building that list and click on the link in the video right now. Take the quiz. Does it really stack up? Anyway, click on the link and I'm going to see you in a minute.